Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to manage team members on Asana, your complete 2025 guide. Our first step is to navigate to the Members tab within your Asana dashboard. The reason we do this is because it's the central hub where you can see everyone in your team and their respective roles. Now that we've done that, let's move on to inviting new members. You can do this by clicking the plus invite button on the upper right corner. This helps us because it allows you to bring new individuals into the team, whether they are employees, freelancers, or stakeholders. Next, let's talk about assigning roles. Right next to each member's name, you'll find a drop-down menu to assign them as members or limited access members. This is crucial as it helps you control who can view and edit projects, keeping your work streamlined and secure. Lastly, don't forget to manage member notifications. Click on the settings icon next to each member's name and select Email Notifications. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By customizing notifications, you ensure team members only receive updates relevant to them, reducing clutter and enhancing focus. And there you have it, a quick, concise guide on managing team members on Asana. Remember, effective team management on Asana involves not only inviting members, but also defining their roles and customizing their notifications. That's all for today. Keep exploring, keep learning. See you in the next one.